welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy with an I. It's snowing outside right now. It's like day 5,800 of the pandemic, and I really miss getting cute. And I feel like me being in the house for so long is making my skin dull. So I was thinking today, since I just got my Ipsy bag for the month, I figured I'd do a little pampering of my skin and maybe a little bit of a review since I haven't opened this yet. Ooh, that's cute. Yeah. So today I'll probably do a little skin routine, light skin routine, and then a review of this Ipsy bag. I'm not going to do makeup because I have nowhere to go. So let's hit it. Okay, I'm going to start with this deep cleansing mask to clean my face. I don't know if you guys know how Ipsy works, but it's like a subscription service, and they give you makeup products, beauty products, skincare products, things like that. They get your preferences, and then they send you things based off your recommendations. And they also have this new service where they're allowing you to pick 3 of the 5 items that they send you a month, which is nice. You get to pick between a variety of things. I look like Wolverine. And I have the Ipsy Glambag Plus, so I get 5 full-size products instead of samples. So the first thing, wow, these are kind of cute. I got 2 makeup brushes. These are ones that I picked. Just 2 nice brushes. I'll do a makeup video soon, so you'll get to see me use this. These are from Firma, and they look like blending brushes. Nice, clean blending brushes. Cute. Next up, I have Butter Cleanser. Butter. So this is another face cleanser, and I'm already cleaning my face right now. So I'm not going to use this today, but I want to see. I'm going to see how it is. Smells kind of chemically. Okay, it feels lightweight. I want to see how it is. I'm gonna rub it on my hand. Feels good. I'm not sure what this smell is. It isn't extremely pungent, but it says it has coconut oil, lavender flower. It's hydrating, lifts dirt and oil for all melanin skin tones. You see that? If they're not black owned, I'm gonna be upset. This is one of the picks that Ipsy gave me this month, and it is Florence by Mills. It is a mind-glowing peel-off mask. Off bat, this packaging is pretty as heck. It is. It's a very nice purple. Oh, spread love because it's good for your heart. Powerful. I like them already. Oh, this is really cute. This is super cute. Gorgeous shade of purple. The matte finish on the bottle. Somebody put money into this. This is dope. Not mind-blowing, mind-glowing peel-off mask. I'm going to use this. I don't care what it's for. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, it looks just like nail polish. The colors are so shimmery and pretty. I can't wait to use this. Then I have another pick from Ipsy. It is this Wonder Beauty Frame Your Face Micro Pencil for your brows. Cool. This is pretty packaging. It's kind of flimsy though. It's a light box though. Okay. And this is in the shade dark brown. Ooh, pretty. I like how it's slender. It's nice and slender. Let's see. Nice. I don't know if you guys can even see that. Super thin. Can barely see it. I won't do a full face of makeup, but I'll do my brows so that we can use that. I got a box of these, how do you say this? Purlis. These Blue Lotus and Seaweed face sheet masks. And these look cute. They're supposed to be intensely moisturizing, soothing, and balancing. I'm gonna have to make a whole nother video because I'm not using this today. Overall, let's see. So I got the sheet masks, the peel off mask, this cute brow pencil, this Butter face cleanser, and these two blending brushes. And I think overall this month I'm incredibly happy. I'm so happy they added this new option to pick 3 of your products, because being spontaneous, they don't know me. You put in your preferences into the system, but sometimes you want to explore new things. They don't know what you're looking for. They don't know exactly what you like. So now that they added this option, I've been really giving these bags like 5 out of 5. They've been great. So let me go wash this off my face so we can try this. So my face is all washed. I'm looking kind of pasty. Edge is still intact, even with the soupity doopity. Soup boopity doop. So now I'm gonna take my brush. I got this Farrah brush, and I'm gonna open it up again and apply a thick, even layer to clean skin, avoiding hair, eyes, and lips. Then gently peel away. Okay. So I'm gonna have to leave this on for like half an hour. I'm so excited. I'm gonna let this sit on my face for like 30 minutes until it dries, and then I'll come peel it off and we'll keep it going. Okay, y'all, we back. And as you can see, the mask is all dry, nice and firm. I'm so happy at how easy this came off. This might be one of my new favorite masks. Florence by Mills. Lavender scented. There is still like a little residual on my neck. So I'm going to take a cotton pad that I was about to use anyway and go over my face with toner. Thayer's. This is the one with rose petal, I guess. Gang. Okay, I've done all that. So now I'm going to use my CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum. Basically, it just helps brighten my face. Just rub it in. Gonna go to my CeraVe healing ointment now. Just a dabble, do you? Oh, my skin feels so clean. Clean and pristine. Looking and feeling like a queen. Now I'm going to finish it off with CeraVe's Ultralight Moisturizing Lotion with sunscreen in it. Because even when the sun isn't out, you need sunscreen. It's very good for your skin, guys. Glowing, dewy, glazed like a donut. Look at the close-up. Skin's looking much brighter. Feels much cleaner. Touching it is so soft. Now I'm excited to try out this eyebrow pencil. So before we end, I'll do that. I think I love this. It's so light and delicate. I almost feel like I don't even have to use concealer underneath. I will, because I'm due for an eyebrow threading. But if brows were how they were supposed to be, I don't even think I would use concealer. Looks very, 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 very natural. Yeah, so since I'm not going anywhere, I think I'm gonna stop here. My face feels very fresh. I like how natural my brows look. And look at this swoop. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have been doing okay during the pandemic. I hope the money has still been flowing through your household. I hope your children are safe. I hope your family members are safe. I hope you're wearing your mask. I hope everyone is staying informed. And I hope to God our government does something to help us. I also wanted to tell you guys I started a lip gloss brand. It is Thick Gloss. They're very vegan, all natural, not tested on animals. They're cruelty free, and they're cute as heck. Look at that. I have a variety of flavors and colors. I'll also be moving into some pigmented ones soon. If you want to check out my site, I will leave that link below. And when you do go on my site, I would recommend our new season favorites. Valentine's Day is coming up, so I would try Venus or Cherry Bomb. Also, if you go on my site, you will see that we have lip scrub and lashes, such as these beautiful ones I'm currently wearing. So if you like any of that, make sure that you go to my site, thick-gloss.myshopify.com. I know it's a lot. We're working on getting our own site. Bear with me. You can also follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Facebook, all at I'm Brandy with an I. Thank you guys so much. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and stay sweet.
I'm a bad bitch. Don't let them tell you that I'm average. Ex-dude mad cause he can't have it. He think I miss him, don't want him to tag me.